that is international business. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is MNC, multinational corporations, multinational enterprises or companies. This is very important for your exam point of view and for the current scenarios in the world. It's a good knowledge for you also. As already we discussed that MNC is nothing but it's an organization where the business is more than one country. Not only that, it includes the transactions company produces the goods and it will target the markets, it will invest the capital and it will operate the functions across the world. It is integrated global enterprise which links global resources with global markets at profit. Next. A multinational corporation MNC has facilities other than asset in at least one country other than its home country. So what the work of the main MNC is, it generally has offices and factories, other industries, assembling area, services, goods and services in different countries, and a centralized head office where they coordinate global management. That means a centralized office will be there in the host country or in the head country, and it will operate all the operations in other countries or other part of the world. Next. Multinational companies are corporate organizations that operate in more than one country than other than home country. So, as you already know that these are the things where the things and like companies like uh, Tata Consultancy Services, LTI, Larsen and Torba, Infotech, uh, and Tech Mahindra, Deloitte, Capgemini are some of the examples of MNCs in India. So these people are doing their business. These are the international brands. If you see here on the screen, totally, the Accenture, Microsoft, Wipro, Oracle, Infosys, IBM, Google, CGC, HSBC, Deloitte, Mentor Graphics, Nokia, Polaris, Motorola, NCR, ADP, Infotech, McGraw-Hill, STMT. Many are there here. Dell, Honeywell. These are the examples of MNCs in country. It is there in the global also, in the global world it is there. Now, what are the characteristics of multinational companies? So first is it's a large capital resources where a huge investment will be there and will get a big capital will be there where they are ready to invest the amount in that area so that the value of the land can be developed. So the demand will be increased. Now advanced technology. That means not only they are providing the capital, they are providing the technology, they are providing the jobs, employment will be there, a growth will be there, development will be there of that area, particular area or region. So everything is there. Then advanced technology will be utilized. What are the technologies used? Everything is there. Then centralized locations. Centralized locations will be there where it is going to generate and operate its functions. Product innovation will be there. That means creativity will be there in the product. New technologies are coming, strategies are coming to build the product and to run the product in the market for the long term. As you know that it provides employment. It's a very big asset for the country or other countries where the peoples of that country are getting the jobs. So the standard of living is increasing. The economic of the country is also building. Not only that, it's help in identifying the job. That means skilled labor, unskilled labor. Uh, now that means division wise, first level, top level management peoples, middle level, low level, first division, second division, what it means, third, fourth divisions, all people should be there. That means uh, educated people, uneducated people, everyone is there. If I take an example of an organization, we need all skilled laborers, unskilled laborers, professionals, unprofessionals, experienced person, unexperienced persons, everywhere we need. So all these things are coming in this part. Then it improves standard of living. As I told you that when the capital is generated by the MNCs, the people, for example, if a person is there, he's earning 15,000. When he joins in MNCs, is getting almost 35 to 40,000. That means the standard of living has been changed. It is improving and it promotes global brotherhood. That means a good relationship will be there between boundary countries or two countries where the business has been taken place. So there will be a well wishers. Then it promotes global brotherhood, as I told you. Then improves balance of payment. Whenever the balance of payment, for example, the US dollars are running in Europe and America, but it won't function in India. If the company is working here, if it's having one sub office here, so the people will also accept the dollars and just work in such a way. It will improve the payment also. Next, factors and reasons of for MNCs. That means for growing of the MNCs. First, we'll go for the reasons for behind the MNCs. The thing is, it will access to lower production cost. Setting up production in other countries, especially in developing economics, usually translate to spending significantly less on production cost. And approximately to target international markets, access to a larger talent pool, avoidance of tariffs. Tariffs means taxes here. There will be no taxes between two countries. When they create the brotherhood among two countries, the taxes will not be there. Access to a larger talent pool. That means what has happened? They will able to access. That means they can bring the talentable people in the company or organization, because if one country is having some percentage of talent people, if other country is having some other talent people, if we join together, we can create a new thing, and innovation will be there, business innovation will be there. Then that will that is becoming a talent pool over here. Then approximately that's what happening. The target international markets will be there. If we are targeting to a so and so market, with the help of this talent people, so we can target to that international markets and we can take or enjoy the profits from that. Not only that, especially that means it is developing the economic of the country as well as the organizations as well as the individuals, that means employees who are working over there, and the production cost will be very less. That means minimizing the expenditure and maximizing the profit. It's a major coherence with the business people. So it is functioning over there. Next one, what are the factors that go in the MNCs? First thing is expansion of market territory. The market territory can be expanded. And market superiorities is there, financial superiorities, technological superiorities, product innovation. All these things we have discussed in the last classes. Once again, I will just go for the briefly sentence of these things. Like market, that means we are having some territory or a market, target market. We are expanding our business in that market and the territory. And market superiority, that is what is the main goal, what is the main need of the market, that we can go for it. Then financial superiorities, what are the financial superiorities will be there, we can go for it. Technological superiorities, what is the technology is there, we can go for that. Then product innovation, new creatives, new ideas, new adding and removing of the features of the product can be taken place. Next, organizational structure of MNCs. Already, this organizational structure of the MNC has been discussed in our HR and human resource management, what are the different, and MOE, management organization behavior. So, how many kinds of that means matrix structure is there, line, staff, everything will be there. Now, a function that means organized MNCs uses corporate functions as a basis for its organizational structures. So what is happening here? The production will takes place, how the production should be there, they plan and they will implement. How the human resources, what sort of employees should be there, talent, people, skilled labor, professionals, unskilled, and what the percentage should be there, everything they will go for it. Or how to design the organizational structure, what to do, what things should be keep in mind before designing the organizational structure. Then customer service, how we have to provide the customer service, typically function units will be there. Next, so multinational companies therefore evolve many structures like subsidiary model, production division, area division, functional structure, matrix structure, transitional network. All these are the different models of divisions of MNCs or organizational structures of the company. Here one is there for you. This is the initiation, that means it is just international division structure. SCO will be there, partially organized chart. Home offices, departments like production, marketing, finance, human resource. Domestic divisions. In domestic like Austria, Japan, Australia, Japan, Italy. And what are the office operations will be there, how the marketing, what are the government relations. Everything will focus on this Yeah, this is one example I want to show you how it is working in function. Just have a look here. Next. This is also one more. Here the employee will be there like HRs, coordination operative officer, CFO, strategy development, IT, PEB, everything. This is one more division. Now, advantages and disadvantages of the MNCs. See, as you know that it is for an advantages companies nowadays it is bringing among that means competition among the often countries will be there, that means countries in the world. Quality improvement, decrease in prices, increase in production, increase in access of goods and services, development in research and technology, increase in employment opportunities. These are certain advantages. Disadvantages, it will decline the small scale industries, no employment opportunity for unskilled laborers, agriculture will be affected, environment will be affected, exploitation of natural resources will be there, value of currency is determined internationally, indigenous language and culture are affected. Few more are here. Employment generation will be there, that means employment will be there. The advantages, automatic inflow of foreign capital, proper use of idle resource, improvement in balance of human position, technical development, managerial development, end of local monopolies, improvement in standard of living, promotion of international brotherhood and culture. All these are the advantages. Coming to the disadvantages, dangers for domestic industries, is whatever the country, home country industries, some other people are small scale industries will have data that will be destroyed because this is having a huge amount and they can expand it and they can work on it. Then repatriation of profits will be there. No benefit to poor people or unskilled laborers. Danger to independence. We don't have that danger. That means freedom will not be there. What we have, they say we have to listen and follow. Disregard of the MNCs, that means national interest of the host country. Misuse of mighty status and careless exploitation of natural resources, selfish promotion of alien culture, exploitation of people in a systematic manner. All these things are the certain norms where we can. I hope students will understand the concept clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day.